Okay, guys, so the app that I use or the program on my computer is called Photoshooot for Mac. Um, it is an editing program for photos. You can do collages, photo editing, touch up, all of that. So we're just gonna start with photo editor. So we're gonna go in, click start. I'm going to go to the folder where I have the picture. I showed you guys two of the photos in part one, so I'm going to just go in that folder where the rest of those photos are. Y'all exclusive, girl, because y'all get the y'all get the exclusive ish, because my website is like still down right now because it's under construction. But anyways, we're gonna go down to Be More 2020, which is the folder where those photos are. Y'all getting an exclusive look at these photos, so y'all better feel special because y'all are. So there, we're just gonna choose one of the photos. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Where's she at? Oh, I guess I was trying to decide which one I wanted to do. Okay. Dang, y'all really seeing the photos. These are ones I took myself, though. I mean, that doesn't make it any less exclusive. That actually makes it more exclusive. But yeah, we're going to choose this one. So then we're just going to take a look at everything. These are just like pre-edited scenes, like base photo. I guess like they call them the scenes, but it's basically just a good start. You can start with nothing, or you can start with one of these. I chose to start with one pre-made. I usually do auto because it looks really good, but for the aesthetic that I wanted to do for this shoot, I chose portrait. So we're gonna go there. Then there's a crop feature that allows you to straighten, crop, or do anything that's of that sort. So we're gonna go here. The white balance and the temperature basically lets you go up and down in the temperature of the photo, which ultimately is going to give you either a yellow base or a blue base. And the tint, of course, which will give you a green base or pink purple base, which is much stronger than the temperature. So I wanted it a little bit of a pink tint. My sister yellow bone, so we gotta make sure we are contributing to that. Ooh, okay. So here I was doing a little bit of the exposure, working on that. Brightness is light exposure, but brightness basically controls anything that is light. Exposure is basically giving you that light. So the brightness is controlling how bright the light is. That the exposure gives you contrast, darkening or lightening all the shadows, and like anything that has color, whatever, vibrance, her color, her skin, anything that has like color, and then saturation. I didn't want too much saturation, but I wanted it to be vibrant, so I did a little bit of both. And you never want too much contrast because it just looks crazy. And I'm just going in and editing a little bit more before I go into the next step. So I just go through and play with them all. So like as I'm going through, I go back and forth between them to edit and make sure it goes together and matches. Speaks for itself, sharpening and the definition. You don't want too much definition because that's the same as too much contrast. But I did want to sharpen this one a little bit, and that's just showing you how it looks if you sharpen it all the way. I just wanted to give it a little bit because the photo was a tad bit blurry. If you want to highlights, if you pay attention, you can see what it edits. If you pay attention to my cursor in the video, you will see as I'm showing you the parts that it will edit, or any parts that what I'm doing will affect. So here you can see where I'm showing you what the shadows feature will affect and what it will change. All of the dark, the hair, the dark jacket, all that. And the whites is basically like the highlights, but specifically anything with a white base. And then same for the black, anything specifically with a black base. Which, and here, of course, does include us because we got that good melanin. Okay. That's too much. But this was just to show you what it does. We're not going to go that dark. We're going to keep it in the middle, I think. Close to the middle. Okay. We're not going to do that, but this is just to show you what it is. And then we're going to go into RGB, my favorite. Give my sister a little pink tint or whatever. Do that highlight. We're going to give her a little bit of gold highlight. Give her a little bit of bronze. Make my sister glow. And of course, if that's going to be, give a gold glow, everything else that is edited in the highlighting portion of that will give that too. That bronze gold glow. This is like my favorite part of editing. This is like the base of how people make the actual pre-edited filters, the RGB. I don't know what it is. I'm just showing y'all that's there. I have no clue what it is. Don't use it. Won't use it probably. I'm not going to do black and white. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to end up using mist, but I'm just going to show you guys some of the edits and the pre-done filters, pre-made filters that you can start with or use. I'm going to use mist just because it gives me that nice vintage feel. She's giving Monica. She's giving Miss Monica. Just one of them days vibes. Okay. And Photo Pro, she doesn't have that. I mean, Photo Pro, she don't have that. She don't use it because she's not paying for it. I don't need to. I'm just like that. You feel me? I don't need all that. I make my own filters. That's so cute. This is just the process. I'm just showing y'all the process of how I eliminate and how I go through all these bomb-ease filters. It's so cute. That's like the clouds and stuff. I use that in some editing of my other photo shoots. The light leaking ones have like patterns in them. Kind of like the texture ones we're going to get into in a second. Come on, Monica. She's really giving the girls Monica just one of those days. Because it's be like this. One of them days, girl. It's one of them days. She look bomb. Wow, I really do this. I really do this. That's mad cute. Oh, yes. Somebody call Monica. Because that's cute. And I kept turning my brightness up. I think it was because I was facing, or the windows behind me, so it's mad light. And I think my laptop is like my phone because it's a MacBook. So I think it was darkening it because I was in so much light. Because I had to keep turning it up every 2 seconds. And I was thoroughly confused. What is going on, honey? Vintage filters are like my favorite ones. They just really be a vibe, you know? And that's a vibe. That's a vibe, yeah, yeah. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Smart. So we're gonna go back to Miss, cause she's cute. She fits. She's giving the girls just one of them days. Okay, we're not gonna use that, but that's just showing y'all there. I will actually use these for some Instagram feed. I didn't even peep that I had that before. Never used it. I will be using that one for sure. So if you see it on my Instagram, mind your business. Textures, scratch is my favorite, but there are other ones like leak, raindrops, the ones that I didn't pay for, won't be paying for. Scratch is one of my favorites. It always just gives a really good vintage feel. This is cute. You see how I just like bodied this in a matter of 10 minutes so far, and we almost done. It's really easy though. And I thoroughly enjoy doing this, so it's like really fun to me. My friends tell you I'm a beast with the editing. Even on my phone. This is the focus feature is cool. I don't really use this too often, but in this one we could do it because we want to focus on her specifically. And like I said, we're giving vintage. But this is just with the circle one. It allows you to choose the shape and the amount of focus. Because we have all this in the background, we can like just focus all on Shorty, my good sis. We're not gonna use text, none of that, but yeah, this is pretty much the finished product. And then I usually just go through, I go back through and just see after I've edited if there's anything that looks better. The second time around, I might change something that I started out with because it might look better now that I've edited. Like, that's mad cute, fluorescent. Auto looks fire, but, and as I was showing y'all the star, because I think that's like a popular one, because auto basically just brings, it's like an HDR version of all the photos, just a high resolution. So, turning that dang on brightness up again. Just going through, turning some down, turning some stuff up, readjusting some things, turning that dang on brightness up again. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I like that. I'm talking like I didn't do this myself. Like, this ain't me editing. And then go here and we save it. I'm just going to put a title on it. YouTube edit. I'm editing it for y'all. Androgyny is actually the name of my newest photo shoot, which is fire, and y'all are going to love it. Make sure y'all are following me on Instagram, because when it comes up, y'all gonna be feeling it. Sometimes my laptop is a little bit old, so she takes a little while to save and do all that sometimes, but saving photo. Photo save successful, coming. Oop, period, poo. And that's how I do it.